how to easily get the voice chat in Roblox. In this video, I'll teach you exactly that, so please follow up with me. First, go ahead and open Roblox and wait for it to fully load up. Once it does, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner right here. And once it takes you here, find settings. Right here, tap on it. Tap on account info at the top. And then again, wait for this screen to load up. Once it does, tap on verify my age right here. We need to do an age verification, so tap there and then tap on start session. It will take you to a web page in which you need to have your ID card and passport ready and also be ready to take a selfie for them to make the age verifications. Once you're done, submit the files. After that, it will take a while to verify your age. Once it does, you can easily go back to your Roblox. Maybe search right here, search for mic up. Choose maybe the first one right here and you can tap right here in the bottom to play with your friends in a voice chat. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.